Good old 3 bungs is ready to go for Easter. Just over here loading him up. Boss. Everyone asking how it got like this. Just got to do the other sticker. So the boat got like that from a series of unfortunate events. The old boy was launching the boat at 5 o'clock in the morning, pitch black. Pushed it off the trailer and the front rope snap that we hold the boat with. He thought, oh well, someone will come, take us up to the boat. Not knowing that last time I cleaned it out, I took 2 bungs out instead of just taking the normal 1 out. So it only had 2 out of the 3 bungs in it, hence the name, 3 bungs. So yeah, it ended up about 100 meters up from the ramp, tipped upside down. Luckily a good Samaritan, who we don't know who it is yet, or still should I say, came and flipped it back over, dragged it back to the ramp, and they winched it up with the car and emptied it out. Had to pull all the floor up to get the fuel tank out, got a service done on the motor, it's all tip top again, got all the fuel lines and everything done. Nah, it doesn't matter mate, you're in the video. Easter Thursday, so we're just having some beers after work. And yeah, had to get a few holes welded up on the floor. The old boy put the floor back in and got the old Ever foam on it, or EVA foam, whatever you want to call it. So she's pimping, new esky. We're gonna catch them this weekend. Ciao! And here we are. Just getting some baits on the way in. Pull up at this little spot. Try for some baits. Hey, do you put the bungs in, mate?
3 bungs.
I better inspect just to make sure. 1, 2, yep, they're all in. We're good today. We're good today. No boat upside down today. Oh, in there as well. There's a big red emperor. There's still a queenie and a grunter in there.
You only want these, 1 backbone, don't you, Bruce?
Yeah, well, we'll just load the last pots up if there's any left.
Load it in. Fisheries come to fucking check on us.
Actually, in there looks very crabby. Just put one in there.
Yeah, here. Give you some skin.
Well, did you put it back in the freezer last night? Anywhere here. Let's do one more. Number 1 for today. Let's see how we went. I've only been in an hour, maybe hour and a half.
Oh, crab. Big crab. Good crab. Good crab. Oh, big. Lots of crabs.
Yeah, it's fucking Crab Alley, mate. Didn't bring us here for no reason. Chee-hoo! We having crabs for reason. Oh. Crabs everywhere. Crabs everywhere.
Where'd the other one go?
I got one here.
Another one somewhere.
Crabs everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. A good sized genie. Go and make some more crabs, please, young lady. That big boy. Boss. That's a goodie. That's someone's lunch.
There's the other.
Motor's gone into limp mode, so we're pulling the pots and getting back out of here before we can't. So, see what happens when we get home, see if we can get it out of limp mode. I don't know what's caused it to go into limp mode. We were cruising around for about an hour this morning and it seemed good, and yeah, it just went straight into limp mode, so we'll see how we go. I'll let yous know what happens. Second last pot. Oh, there's crabs in it. Looks like Jennies and Littles. Oh, that fella might be close. They're not too bad. Anything? Oh yeah, he's got some. Get some bait. Just limping it back to the creek we put it in at because we don't want to risk being on a motor in limp mode. Just get some bait and we'll go over fishing there. We got 4 crabs in the esky. Just had to go swimming because we tangled the net up, but gee beauty. See if we can get a big banana cast on film. Big knock 'em out cast. Yeah, big knock 'em out cast. Hard casting into the wind, eh? We're back, baby! No more lip mode! Ready? Whoop! There you go, bud. There's lunch. Fucking arsehole. Yes, the fishing is very quiet today. 4 crabs so far though. Got the lines in, live mullet, a couple of herring. The boat's going good. Can't complain. We had a bit of a hiccup, but we've come good. We've come good. I don't know if that's a bite or me mullet. He's having a bit of a fit. I'll see you when there's a bit of action. You want your full lunch now, buddy? Ready? Come on. Come down. Oh, you missed it, you useless prick. It's sunk too.
Yeah, they always do.
You're not very well trained, mate. You're not like the one at the Horton. Bloody Oakland. Yeah, fishing spots are that secret. The fish don't even know about them. We got some crabs, but the boat's back and going. Can't complain. Can't complain. No, I've just turned it on. Takes a little while. Second run of the pots. Let's see how we did. There's some crabs in here. Little O's, eh? Plenty of crabs, just all too little. Let's put it straight over the other side or what? Oh, there's pots everywhere. Well, hard as a rock. No. Oh yeah. Yeah, I reckon we got him. We got him. Maybe. He's rusty too. Oh yeah. Good Friday done right. Spent the day in the... Look at the size of that thing. Mudzilla. Spent the day in the creek. Now we're cooking a feed. Chee-hoo! Here you go, sirs. I've prepared a nice warm bath for you. Enjoy that. Oh, we might need to do a bit of negotiation. Oh, they'll still steam. They'll be right. They'll be right. Can you chuck that back on, please, sir? And we're on. Boom. See you in about 12 to 15 minutes, depending how long you take to get to the boil. Oh yeah, feast time at the Curriers. Look at that lollipop. I'll crack it open and give you a look. Boom. The big boy. Oh. Oh. Oh, that is a feed. Look at the size of it. Wow. Boom. Happy Good Friday, everybody.